Okay, so we're going to do it the hard way. We're going to go get a visa last minute. We're going to go get a bus ticket and we're going to check out the hotel, and then we're going to see if that bus will actually bring us straight to Vientiane and see how this guy goes. Going in the minivan. There's going to be a bit of a day. Going in the minivan at 1 o'clock. Okay, so we're going to slow down for a minute and we're going to go over the plan of the day. So it's been altered slightly. Originally I wanted to take a taxi from here to the border and then do the border crossing and then get a taxi on the other side to the hotel. When I went to the hotel here in Udon Thani and said to her, you know, can I get a taxi to the border, she said, you can get a bus to Vientiane straight in. I'm like, well, yeah, you need a visa and I don't have the visa. And she said, well, you can get it at the police station. I'm like, oh, interesting. So I got in a tuk-tuk and I went to a few places because I had a few things to do before I left, and one of them was the police station. Luckily now, I only went in, I was waiting like 3-4 minutes, not even, and the lady approached me and said, hi, how can I help you? And I asked her for a visa for Laos, and she's like, oh, we just extend the visas here. And I'm like, so you can't give me a visa to Laos? And they're like, no. Okay. So I went to the bus station anyway because a taxi driver had approached me at the bus station asking me did I want to go to Laos the other day. This was when I was actually at the bus station trying to get a bus there, and I found out you need the visa. So from there I asked around and he said there's a minivan over there. So the minivan cost me 60 baht, and I'm kind of sitting there going, 60 baht for an hour's drive? Like, it's very cheap. Like, it's a cup. Is it even €1, you know? And it's getting me up there, and I told them I have bags and all. They're like, yeah, no problem. So I have that booked for 1 o'clock. We are at, hold on, let me see here, 12:05, so we have a bit of time. I'm going to get there a bit early, get probably a bottle of water in the 7-Eleven around the corner. So yeah, if you're in Udon Thani and you're trying to go there, you can get a taxi. Just this way, it just kind of worked out that everyone kind of directed me towards a bus and a minivan, so it's a lot cheaper. Instead of probably about 900 baht to 1500 baht to just to the border, cost me 60 baht. So I'm happy with that. I'm not too stressed because I don't have a time limit or rush to get there. There's no one waiting on the other end. The one when I went from Kuala Lumpur to Hatyai, I had someone waiting for me, so I was a little bit stressed on the last situation. But there's no one really waiting for me except the hotel staff, and they don't care if I arrive late or not. So far the plan is been changed, but it's been changed on the day, and it's amazing that I could just get that ticket straight away. You know, like I walked in, yeah, 1 o'clock was the next bus. Perfect. That's what I love about Thailand. You can almost go on the day, if not the day before. You can book and plan your trip. So yeah, next you'll just see some scenes of me getting onto the minivan, and then hopefully it lets me out close enough to the border. Otherwise I'm getting onto a tuk-tuk to get to the border, then I'm getting off that, and then I'm getting onto a bus, then I'm getting off of that, then I'm getting onto another tuk-tuk. By the end of the day I might be drained, but this is all for research for you people if you ever want to go from Udon Thani to Vientiane in Laos. Yep. Hello. Hello. You want to go to Vientiane? Yeah. So, bus driver dropped me off at the departure area. So I'm happy. I'm right here. So I just have to walk there. Go through there. I can't record inside for obvious reasons. And then I get on a bus on the other side to go over the bridge, and then go through Laos immigration. So fingers crossed, everything goes super. So far good. And I gave the man a tip as well. I gave him 100 baht tip. for dropping me here, because he asked me halfway through, where are you going, and I just pointed on the map and he just said, yep, no problem, and just right here, right there, perfect. So just out of immigration, 2 minutes, bus ticket 30 baht. Simple. Something's gonna go wrong. Bus was 3-4 minutes across the bridge, as you can see. Arrived after 2 minutes paying for the ticket, and now immigration on the Laos side. Anyway, we made it, and 2.5 hours, I'd say. Visa on arrival was easy. Just went up to a window, got your visa, filled out the form, handed it in, waited 5 minutes, not even. Something's gone wrong. Something's gone wrong somewhere. It can't be this easy. With these open tops, probably can't hear me now, but yeah, 400 baht to get to town centre. He says 20 minutes, but anyway, just react to it. Here, you didn't expect. I was expecting to be like in the hotel by 4 o'clock or something. The check-in is 3 p.m, so that's perfect timing for me. Like, that's great. So, still waiting for something to go wrong. Maybe it's the hotel. Haha, we'll see. That was the quickest check-in ever. And the room was bigger than I thought. And it's brighter than I thought. They must have revamped the place or something. The photos they have online make this place look dark and dingy. And like, you know, it was horrible. But my good God. And there was no other issues. Like, I gave your man 400 baht, 20 baht tip. I have to go change some money. I have to do videos, photos. I'm backed up by miles. So Laos is more of a chill month. I'm going to chill here, and I'm going to catch up on all my work. I will do a video of Vientiane at some stage. I'll probably do 2 or 3, and we'll see how that toll is going. I don't know the poll for whether I'm taking a flight or a bus from here. But yeah, I'm going to go out and check out the city just without the camera, because I'm probably going to have a few drinks after that. Surprisingly so smooth. Look, I've heard stories and all, but I forgot to mention that this was a Tuesday at 1 p.m. I left basically Thailand, Udon Thani, and I'm in the hotel. I think it's 4 p.m. Fantastic.